Superintendent, Dr. Estella Mrs. William, to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Marcelo Maismis, to our SGOD Chief, Mrs. Milagros Suyo, to our CID Chief, Mr. Antonis P. Torres, to our management team, to the school heads, to the facilitators, and to all my classmates, greetings of peace. Finally, we have come to the concluding part of our program. So, after 5 days of enduring naabot kami tayo closing the program. Happy ba, kanan? Happy mo? Or ako, Rachel Taker, happy too po. I am very happy, and I know for sure that even the management team are all very happy and relieved that after a few days or after a few weeks of preparation, makatulog na yun silang tao, mga inawot ka, wrong ka, beating. Correct?
Correct.
Yes. Okay, so let me share to you some of my reflection and impression from this seminar. Okay, so when you say inset, so assuming I inset na po, so it's not just our obligation to be marked in our calendars. Mayroon tayo kang hala, inset na po, asa na po ni Ani. But I want you all to take it as an opportunity. Actually, diba? Opportunities are meant to be grabbed, meant to be seized na yun ang kayo masigmakuha ng chance. So I think I want you to take this opportunity, this set as an opportunity to step back from our daily routine, our classrooms, kay Brother Apoy, sinalunod sa mga anak. So, it's an opportunity to step back from our classroom, an opportunity to reassess ourselves, an opportunity to reevaluate our teaching strategies, an opportunity to reinvigorate our passion for teaching. Na-stress me out. Okay. So, it's an opportunity. So, during our 4-day set, the first 2 days, we tackled on the different accommodations of the different difficulties or type of mga learners. So there's difficulties in mobility, in communication, in behavior, in everything, in their personal behavior and all. So day 3, 4, and 5, we discussed about the HATS, the LATS, and the solo. Diba? I know murag na-instill na sa atong minds and atong hearts kung sa ni mga HATS, LATS, and solo. Sige, everybody, magpakitang kilas tayo. Define HATS.
HATS.
Yes, of course. Okay, define LATS.
Order thinking skills.
Okay, next, solo.
Structured observance, learning outcome.
Ako sunabalan sa una, solo. So, na-ako na yung mo na solo at solo nito. So, we have learned so much. When we go home to our stations, pag mabalik ka after this tiklog, I know malaghamit ang mga takeaways from this seminar. But, as for me, the biggest takeaway ever yun is, from this seminar, is the importance of adaptability. Anong adaptability? Okay, adaptability. Because, as educators, we are not just teachers, but we are also lifelong learners. Hantod mo sa isinta mo retire anytime, lifelong learners lang kita. We adapt to change, new innovations, new strategies, new usahan pa natin ha. No? So it is our ability to adapt to all those things, to adapt to solo. Kaya ang ako nadugan si Hats naman dyan. And also to adapt to solo na okay ko rin na diba? So, we learn. So, it is through our adaptability na maka-ensure ka na we can provide a meaningful and impactful education for us, our learners. Diba?
Yes.
Correct ba po? Yes, correct. Okay, next. So, as to my impression, so it will be a series of thank yous to people who who are in one way or another have contributed to the success of this program. So first and foremost on the list, so all of you, my classmates, no? So all of you, my classmates, thank you. I am grateful that you are very participative. You have kind of imparted your knowledge. You are very enthusiastic in engaging into the collaborative activities. So no dull moments with you, especially the mga teenagers na kumawag dire. No dull moments yun. Everybody is willing to engage. Everybody is willing to share. And that is, I think for me, is what truly makes this teaching community inspiring. No? Okay, next on the list we have the management team, the school heads. Okay, thank you so much for your vision and your support in organizing this event. Okay, without you, kaya bukat yun ang mahitabo. So we are so thankful that we have a very approachable and madul na yun, very smiling face for yun sila, and always very ready to help us in all our needs. Kung ang microphone, mag-ensuring naman na yung service ayu-ayu ko. Dahil kung may mga ikot o minusap na ada yung palibre na snacks from the management team. So thank you so much. We appreciate your commitment and dedication to providing us a collaborative environment, and we all appreciate it. Next, third on the list are the facilitators. Facilitators, Dili Kalalis, they have shown mastery in their topics. No? The delivery is very clear and precise. The presentation of their topics and allowing us to engage in different discussions provided invaluable knowledge to us learners and learners on the Anila. And so they also spark a good kind of communication, meaningful communication towards each of the participants or among participants. So thank you so much, facilitators, for teaching. Okay, next, fourth on the list, of course, hindi ko kalimutan, Casa Marie Learning Institute for our warm welcome and accommodation sa ilahang lugar. You know what, i-share yun na ako last Monday, pagsunod na ako sa ilang porch, ako ko na late kami ako na. Okay, tayo na sila mag-welcome. Good morning and welcome to Casa Marie Learning Institute. What class do you belong to? I belong to class 2, diba? Warm welcome. Warm yun. So, once again,
late man ka. Sa late ka.
Kung na may akong t-shirt kakan, sa di ko makalagian. I'm so sorry. But once again, it is our heartfelt gratitude, Casa Marie Learning Center, na you welcomed us here. Oh, ang inyong hospitality, we are very, very much grateful. Last on the list, number 5 na din. Okay, so last on the list, how can we forget? Hindi siya, okay, importante actually, our food service providers. So to Anna Pore, to Napoleon's Catering Services, thank you for preparing us sumptuous meals and snacks. Because I, for one, of all na lang ako kabalok ako bakod, mag-imagine ko kung sa ano mo kailawa. O pwede ba po makakapon? Kaya bawal po kamis, bawal po mga sauce, pero kaayo, mga salty. So mag-imagine ko baso ng snack roll, ipanada, pero wala yun nakita po, no? So thank you so much to our food providers for always thinking of new mga ideas, mga food na for today, for keeping us fuel and full during the entire in-service training. Okay, so napakalitan, wala na. Ay na ako din magluod. Okay, wala na. I will encourage everyone to let us all stand up because we're going to give each other the biggest and the loudest amazing applause for for a job well done. Okay? Sige, let's all stand up. So, saan ko na how to execute the amazing applause? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sing, sing, sing. Amazing. Kinagano ni ay ha? Ang isang teacher o dili mo ki ay. Okay? On my cue. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sing, sing, sing. Amazing. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Before I go, let me read to you this quote from L. Frank Baum from his book, The Lost Princess of Oz. And I quote, a thief. Actually, really pag-ayaw sure na kung mga salay ko. Okay, again.
Kaluoy ni mo, Brie.
I read to you a quote from Francis L. Baum from his book, The Lost Princess of Oz. A thief, no matter how skillful, cannot rob you of your knowledge. Therefore, knowledge is the best and safest treasure we can acquire. That is all. This has been April A. Cuevas, 25 years old, saying thank you for listening and may God bless us all.